Hello everybody, MissClam222 here. I got a new car today, I just want to show you. It's a Toyota 4Drive. Really cool. Kind of an army car. Look at that. This is it. Kind of big. It was a grayish. It was a grayish, now we're painting it. So yeah, it's going pretty cool, and 4Drive, and my sister is drawing stuff on it. Sam Clam, my YouTube name. I wrote. Oops. This is in the inside of it. Put the chair up. There we go. Okay, so this is the car. Well, inside the car, here, the steering wheel is kind of huge. You got pedals, and stuff. Lots of room in the back, as you can see, which would need to be because it's in the army. Trucks do. And got the stuff here, throttle, gear changer, pedals down there, and then we got the horn button here, and there's another button up here. Press it. Ready? I don't want to scare my parents. It's not working. Battery yet? No, we put it back in. So yeah, that's the cool ass car. MissClam222 signing out.